My response to Bir Das's monologue. I come from a country, I come from India, where old people work hard, while young people spend time making and watching reels on Instagram. I come from an India where the terrorist is called the innocent son of an headmaster, while armies giving up their lives in protection are being demonized. I come from an India where people wearing suits don't deter themselves from disgracing the country in stages of other countries, while an old sculptor brings glory to India in total silence in his plain dhoti and kurtas. While some 23-year-old spending away his life in drugs rules the pages of newspaper and the post of social media rules the pages of newspaper and social media post, while a 23-year-old bringing glory to India in Olympic is being tried and is being disgraced in social media, and the 23-year-old giving up his life in protecting the country goes on unknown, unrespected and unnoticed. I come from an India where crackers are banned during Diwali, although it has been a culture since time immutable. But crackers are not banned even during the smallest of celebrations, like the release of a celebrity's son from a jail in case of a drug peddling. Where bursting crackers during Diwali rises the asthma of some women, but they stand in the celebration very near to the burning and bursting of crackers during a New Year's celebration. I come from an India where celebrities click photos. I come from an India where celebrities click photos after feeding one child and are praised, while millions feed millions in silence. I come from an India where people sit in AC and ride personal vehicles always, and on every occasion talks on pollution and is praised, while an unknown old woman barefoot robed in just a piece of sari gives up her life in saving the environment in total silence, in the dark, far from these places. I come from a country where 50 years before people are said to use chemical fertilizers to increase productivity. Now, 50 years after, people are said to look back to their old farming ways, using gobar as manures that has since long been used in India but always had been looked down on, and we are said to be a civilization not developed enough. I come from an India where people feel ashamed to call themselves Sanatani and respect their roots and love following the shit of the Western culture, while people from that same West countries come to India and proudly call themselves Sanatani devotees by devoting their life in devotion. I come from that India where people respect their tyrants and crushers and try blending themselves in one of them. I come from that India where people respect their tyrants and crushers and try blending themselves into one of them while they hate their history, even the very language, while NASA is using it. I come from India where people look down on the Vedas and Upanishads while the whole world look into them for strength, peace, science and knowledge. I come from India where the same people are destroying the agriculture, talk of hungry babies. I come from that India where the same people, after destroying agriculture, talk on hungry babies. After destroying Asia's best industries, talks on unemployment. I come from India where hypocrisy is running in the air. So strong. Hypocrisy is running in the air so strong that Netaji is called torture's dog and Bhagat Singh a tyrant, while Che, the henchman of Castro, the mass murderer, is called the darling, the savior. I come from an India where religion and of the people, I come from an India where you can disgrace the god of one religion. You can disgrace them, you can After every 12 years, based on the cycle of Jupiter, which has been discovered just 300 years ago by the West, and we are said to be a culture not developed in science, and group of India promotes it, and there is a group of India that promotes it, and I come from that India, this hypocritical country. This is the true India, this is the hypocrisy that I come from, and that I oppose. And this is my response to Peer Das's monologue.